Thank you for taking time to view this short video. My name is Michael Maahs, and I'm a Tax Product Specialist with Intuit's Accounting Professionals Division. If you have questions after watching the video, please feel free to find me and send me a direct message on either Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Now in this short video, we'll go through the basics of entering data into Intuit Tax Online. From my client screen, I can access my client return along with several sample client returns. Before we start entering data into the program, I do want to get you oriented to the overall navigation of Intuit Tax Online. And as you can see, there are four main areas of the program: the Enter Data screen, the Review Data screen, the Check Results screen, and the File Return screen. This video will focus on working within the Enter Data screen. When we go into the Enter Data screen, you'll see the application has summarized all of the information for this return, such as general client information, income, wages, deductions, etc. The bolded input screens are areas where we have already entered client data or pro forma data from a prior year. Simply click to expand the section where you'd like to begin entering data. You can also jump directly to any form, field, or schedule using the End Product Search functionality. You can type in the name or number of any form, field, or schedule to find the appropriate field. Forms, those are really just items within a return, such as W-2s or 1099s or deductions that you use on a regular basis. To enter information there, all you need to do is find the appropriate form. In this case, my client has some interest income. So I can click on the screen for interest income, the 1099 INT form. By clicking there, it takes me directly to the data input fields, where I can begin entering the general information, such as the name of the bank, and of course the amount of interest. If I have additional data entry, such as specifying if this interest is for the taxpayer or spouse, I can click the Edit Details button to begin adding those additional details. And once I'm finished, I just click the Hide Details button. No need to recalc the return or do any manual updating of the program. Intuit Tax Online does all of that for you automatically. Now let's take a look at changing a form. I need to select W-2. In my review, I realized I input the incorrect amount for wages for this client, so I need to make that adjustment now. I can go to the wages for the W-2 for this client and then quickly make that change. You'll see in box 3 as well as in box 5 for Medicare wages and tips and Social Security wages withheld, that number is automatically updated when you make the change in box 1. That functionality is going to be the same whether it's a new W-2 or if it's a W-2 that you're changing. If you need to add an additional W-2, very simply click the Add button in the right hand corner of the screen and you can add the additional W-2. If you need to make a change or delete a W-2 that's no longer necessary, you can click the red X, which gives you the delete option, and you can easily delete that form. Thank you for taking time to learn a little bit about the data entry basics for Intuit Tax Online. Again, you can find me on Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. If you have any additional questions, please send me a message. I'll be happy to help.